Ross Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying. Really? Anyway,
Really?
Yes, really. You want to start this here? We could have started this a long time ago. Okay.
Stop. Okay.
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck rolling and attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay. Well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay. Well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know.
Get ready for today's courtroom showdown. We've got a case that's heating up fast, with Mr. Tummy and M. Vonda in a fierce battle over custody, child support, and emotions running high. There are shocking twists, accusations of dishonesty, and even a strange shooting incident. Things are getting intense. This case is about more than just money. It's about family, trust, and what happens when lives clash under the weight of child support. Will justice win out, or will the drama take over? Stick with us to find out.
Oh, what is the reason for the delay?
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the problem is he's spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's spoiled. He's spoiled.
And you have a retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad.
No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes. Okay.
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well.
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention, he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No, you shot me in the leg and it hurt, and the medical bills
it was
are still
your ass.
piling up. Thank you very much. Okay.
Stop.
You know what? Both of you stop. Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're going to do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're going to learn how to do, because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I want to say up here, but I don't say it. So you're going to learn how.
What an entrance, right? The tension in this courtroom is so thick you can practically feel it. It's all about money and custody. Miss Vonda is not holding back, accusing Mr. Tummy of tricking her into having kids and then using his family's wealth to take custody. But here's the twist. This whole story is full of contradictions. It looks like these two are in for a serious showdown, but wait for the first big surprise of the day. Things are about to get messy in here. Who do you think has the upper hand in this battle?
Behave and stop shooting people. Just because you have a gun does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, All I need to know about is the money. And you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay, it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
$63. Okay, $5. It doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not going to ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not going to do it. You do not apologize.
And just like that, the gloves are off. The courtroom's as messy as their relationship now, with shocking accusations flying. Everything from sabotaged condoms to a gunshot wound, and yes, physical violence in front of their kids. It's absolutely jaw-dropping. But the judge isn't letting it slide. She's stepping up, calling them out, and making it clear how they should behave in court and in life. But here's the real issue: emotional manipulation of their children. This isn't just a custody battle, it's a power struggle that could leave lasting scars on the kids. How far would you go to keep your children with you? Would you take these extreme steps, or do these actions raise serious red flags for you?
Again, I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but
Your
I
Honor,
don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
and I
what?
gotta
And
pay
I-
for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me anyway.
Are you
Guess
kidding me
what?
right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not gonna use that
handle
for the
this.
kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people dependent on them. Okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right. So payable at $55 a month added to your child support obligation. Your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's
I'm
all I
not
need
even
you to do.
invested. So
Well, you know what?
Invested in your
you
kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about
You hear
my
that?
kids
You know
now.
what,
You hear
Mr.
that?
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hold up. Did you catch that? The judge is about to hit Mr. Tummy with a hefty financial order, $966 a month in child support, plus retroactive payments. That's no small sum. But here's where it gets tricky. Mr. Tummy's acting like he's getting the raw deal. He claims his life's on the line every day as a cop. Sure, being a cop comes with its risks, but doesn't everyone make sacrifices for their family? Parenting, in any form, is risky business, especially when you're dealing with responsibility, time, and, well, money. But wait, it's not just about him. Vonda's going to have to pitch in too for the kids' financial well-being, so get ready for more back and forth on who's really in the right here.
Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So,
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me.
And just like that, we're wrapping up. The judge, ever the calm authority, keeps everything on track and lays down the terms. It's been a messy case, but we've got a resolution, and a solid one at that. The final ruling: Mr. Tummy will pay $1,021 per month in child support, plus retroactive payments. Vonda might not have gotten everything she wanted, but she's walking away with more financial clarity for her kids. After all the drama and accusations, the bottom line is clear. The kids need support, and both parents have to step up. That's the real takeaway. So, what do you think? Were the judge's decisions fair, or should one of them have gotten a bigger piece of the pie?
That has nothing to do with anything now because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
Shouldn't have delayed.
Well, folks, there you have it. What a wild ride through a courtroom that showed once again, no family drama stays behind closed doors. The case is decided. Child support, retroactive payments, and clear responsibilities for both sides. What happens next? Only time will tell how the Tummy-Vonda saga unfolds in real life. But for now, justice has been served. If you thought this case was wild, hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Who do you think was in the right here? And don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns that'll keep you on the edge of your seat.